You need to watch this if you struggle with understanding the science behind the Northern Lights. Welcome to Science Express. I'm sure you've heard the news. The Northern Lights are one of nature's most stunning spectacles. Have you ever gazed at a picture of the Northern Lights and felt a sense of wonder? Picture a sky ablaze with vibrant dancing colors. Green, red, blue, and purple lights shimmer and swirl like a magical dance. That's the Aurora Borealis, famously known as the Northern Lights. But what creates this breathtaking light show? It might look like magic, but there's a fascinating science behind it. The Northern Lights are actually a spectacular result of science involving tiny particles called atoms. You see, everything in the universe, including you and me, is made up of these incredible atoms. Atoms are like tiny building blocks. They're so small you can't even see them with your eyes. Now, these atoms have even tinier things inside them called electrons. And sometimes these electrons get excited and jump around. When these excited electrons calm down and go back to their normal energy, they release light. That's right, light is a form of energy. It's like when you jump up and down, you use energy, and when you stop, you release that energy. So, where do the Northern Lights come in? Well, the sun plays a big part. The sun constantly sends out tiny particles like a giant fan blowing a constant breeze. These particles are charged with energy. When these charged particles reach Earth, they collide with the atoms in our atmosphere like a cosmic game of billiards. This collision excites the electrons in the atoms, making them jump around. And guess what happens when those electrons calm down? They release light, creating the beautiful colors of the Northern Lights. Section 4. Where and when to catch the show? The best places to see the Northern Lights are near the Earth's poles. That's because the Earth acts like a giant magnet and the magnetic field is strongest at the poles. These magnetic fields draw the sun's particles towards them, so you'll have better luck seeing the Aurora Borealis in places like Alaska, Canada, Iceland, and Norway. The best time to see the lights is during the winter months when the nights are long and dark. And remember, it needs to be a clear night to see the show. Section 5. Fun facts about the aurora. Here are some fun facts about the aurora. Did you know there are also southern lights? They're called aurora australis and can be seen in the southern hemisphere. The colors of the aurora depend on the type of gas the solar particles collide with. Green is the most common color, caused by oxygen. Auroras can also occur on other planets like Jupiter and Saturn. Imagine that, a light show on another planet. The Northern Lights are a spectacular natural phenomenon. It's a reminder of the amazing power of nature and the science that makes it all possible. So next time you see a picture of the Northern Lights, remember the tiny atoms and the exciting journey of energy that creates this dazzling display. Thanks for watching Science Express. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing science content. See you next time.